Good morning, beautiful people. Stay inspired, stay happy. There's no better way to wake up in the morning than with a smile on your face. Voila. Good night's sleep and sweet dreams aren't always the case. The one thing you can always count on is creating your own happiness. If you're feeling down, need some motivation, or simply like to start your day on a high note, here are the top 20 good morning quotes that'll put your mind at ease, provide words of encouragement, and help you get started on a productive day. Let's start. Number 1. Write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Number 2. I get up every morning and it's going to be a great day. You never know when it's going to be over, so I refuse to have a bad day. Paul Henderson. Number 3. Today's goals: coffee and kindness. Maybe 2 coffees and then kindness. Nania Hoffman. Number 4. An early morning walk is a blessing for the whole day. Henry David Thoreau. Number 5. Every morning, I wake up saying, I'm still alive, a miracle, and so I keep on pushing. Jim Carrey. Number 6. Morning comes whether you set the alarm or not. Ursula K. Le Guin. Number 8. The breeze at dawn has secrets to tell you. Don't go back to sleep. Rumi. Number 9. With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. Eleanor Roosevelt. Number 10. Morning without you is a dwindled dawn. Emily Dickinson. Number 11. I like my coffee black in my morning Sprite. Terry Gilliamets. Number 12. Life is what we make it, always has been, always will be. Grandma Moses. Number 13. Rise up. Start fresh, see the bright opportunity in each day. Anonymous. Number 14. In the morning a man walks with his whole body, in the evening, only with his legs. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Number 15. There are so many reasons to be thankful every day. I am thankful for you. Anonymous. Number 16. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. Mother Teresa. Number 17. Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Babe Ruth. Number 18. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Walt Disney. Number 19. Worry never robs tomorrow of its sorrow, it only saps today of its joy. Leo Buscaglia. Number 20. Keep smiling, because life is a beautiful thing and there's so much to smile about. Marilyn Monroe. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.